I hereby tender my apology to this honorable court and request that this honorable court may graciously be pleased to accept the apology and close the instant proceedings against the deponent. Arnav Goswami said this while submitting his affidavit to the Delhi High Court. उन्होंने ये एफिडेविट एक कंटेम्प्ट केस में फाइल किया जो इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट आर.के. पचौरी ने 2016 में फाइल किया था अगेंस्ट सेवरल मीडिया हाउसेज फॉर फ्रेगनेंट एंड विलफुल disobedience of two court orders which had restricted reporting on sexual harassment allegations against him. उनका कहना था कि मीडिया रिपोर्ट्स were defamatory and prejudiced against him. दरअसल पचौरी, the former director of the Energy and Resources Institute, was accused of sexually harassing a female colleague in 2015. उनके द्वारा फाइल किया गया केस अर्नव गोस्वामी, जो कि उस टाइम एडिटर इन चीफ थे टाइम्स नाउ के, और बेनेटन कॉलम द इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, राघव ओरी एंड प्रणॉय रॉय के अगेंस्ट था. अपनी अपॉलजी में गोस्वामी ने कोर्ट को बताया कि वो कंट्री के लॉ अबाइडिंग रिस्पेक्टेबल सिटीजन है. He submitted, I had no intention to commit any act, omission amounting to disobedience, much less willful disobedience of the orders of this court. I say that the alleged broadcasts were done under the bona fide belief that the same was not prohibited in terms of orders passed by this honorable court on 18 February 2015, passed in case 425 of 2015. The alleged broadcasts were made as part of fair reporting in view of the liberty under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India as recognized by this court in the aforesaid order. Justice Manmeet Pritam Singh Arora was hearing the matter. The court has received a similar affidavit of unconditional apology from other Raghav Ori and Economic Times. On May 22, the court discharged Arnav Goswami, Economic Times and Raghav Ori after accepting their written unconditional apology. Justice Arora also dismissed the plea against Pranoy Roy on merits. It said, upon perusal of the contents of the said article, this court is satisfied that there is no violation of the ad interim order dated 18 February 2015. The stand of the deceased petitioner as regards the complaint of the aggrieved person is duly reported therein. Pertinently, the content of the said article dated 14 February 2016 duly records the denial of the allegations by the deceased petitioner. The contents of the article would fall within the realm of fair reporting. Accordingly, the present petition against respondent number 4, Pranoy Roy, is dismissed. अर्नव गोस्वामी हमेशा ही किसी न किसी बात के लिए सुर्खियों में रहते हैं. कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि वो इंडिया में डेमोक्रेसी और जर्नलिज्म को मार रहे हैं और कुछ को उनका फेयरलेसली न्यूज रिपोर्टिंग करना पसंद है. But his several acts or statements have made him fall into trouble. That is all for this video. Keep following Law Chakra for more news and updates.